Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can build your own DIY study lamp. As you can see, I have a bunch of useless data cables or USB cables. As you can see, I have these two pair of USB cable lying on my shelf collecting dust. I also happen to have a 3-watt AC warm LED. As you can see, as you can tell by its flickering, and it runs directly on 220 volt AC without any adapter or anything. But I'm not gonna be using this as I don't have an AC outlet near my laptop, so I'll leave it there only. After searching and sorting through many LEDs, I decided to go with this one. As you can see, this is entirely made out of aluminum, and it was attached to a heat sink, and I removed the heat sink because I was not going to use it for longer, or I was not planning to use it with a higher voltage which might create heat, so I removed it. I'll be powering it with my laptop. USB 2.0 is just limited to 5 volts, 500 milliamps, which is just 2.5 watts, which is more than enough to drive this LED. And now let's quickly test it. As you can see, as you can't see, I have mounted the lamp on the tripod, and as you can see, now it's completely visible, and I have attached to the USB port, and this is the visibility which I'm getting. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching.